feel about one night stands? How do you feel about friends with benefits? Have you ever had a one night stand before?
I actually don't know that guy. And then it's like, because we were at a party and then
How do you feel about one night stands?
Just a one sentence for me. I think one night stand is like playing my body. That's it.
Have you ever had a one night stand before?
Um, I think
Yes.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Last night lang.
Wow, that's wow.
Yeah, to be
I
honest,
Mhm. Oh my god. Okay. You're not in a relationship, right?
no, I don't want to commit with anyone.
Why?
Trauma. I think.
What happened?
Um, I cheated on my boyfriend. Um, yeah, I cheated on her.
Oh no. Why? Why did you cheated on him?
Um, I think
You're not contented?
I think so.
How about now? Do you see yourself like being honest to someone that, you probably love?
For now, I think no. I just want to enjoy my life now. That's it.
Okay. Are like Bicolanas or like the Filipinas, especially your age, are really like these now?
For me, I think not not at all. Not at all Bicolanas and Bicolanos because for me, I think from my past, so that what I did is
You had a very rough past.
yeah.
Very bad. Okay, very bad past. How do you feel about friends with benefits?
For me, friends with benefits is one sentence only. Playing with my feelings because you are just my friend, but you're just playing like you're attracted to me by for me sexuality like that.
Have you ever had a friend with benefits?
No.
No. Would you ever have a friend with benefit if that's what he wants?
I think no.
Why?
I don't want to have that kind because for me friends is friends. If ever I if ever I experience that or I will experience that, I will cut it off.
How do you feel about one night stands?
so first of all, I haven't experienced something like that, or I don't have any intention to do that because I think for some people it's fun, but for me it's a no. Because I think, in my opinion, I think it's bad because what's the purpose? Is it for experience or whatsoever? So that's all.
Are you kind of like religious person?
Yes, I am.
That's why.
My family is Muslim, but I'm not Muslim. So
What's your religion?
I'm Christian.
Why you're different?
It's because my parents converted to Muslim when they migrated to the.
Oh yeah. What do you call this? She grew up from Doha, Qatar, right
Yes
there.
po.
And then she just came back here to the Philippines to studies, for studies. Do you know anyone, like for example, a friend of yours or just anyone that you know who had one night stand?
Um, I can call it one night stand because I know someone and he's my cousin, and he talked about it with me and my other cousins, and they call it like fubo or whatsoever. You know that? So like he said like from other schools here in Naga, and I'm not really interested on that, so I didn't listen to him.
Did you change the way you look at him after you found out?
No, not really, because I look at him as my brother, and I think it's for his experience, maybe.
Do you think people from here, from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, especially the youngsters, the young people like your age, are they wild?
I think yeah, because it depends on their age actually, and the way how they look on the like the people and whatsoever, their perspective, and what you call that? Like a lot of people here, especially here in Naga, there's a lot of people doing those things for experience maybe, or just for fun, or how they want to express on what they're on their mind whatsoever.
Your parents must be very proud of you.
Thank you.
How do you feel about friends with benefits?
I've experienced that before,
Oh.
but
You?
yeah, but I did not like what you call that, like nakipag ano,
You didn't do what?
I did not accepted his thing to do.
Oh, someone offered you.
Yeah, but I did not accept
Mm.
because I don't really like know him well, but he's my friend. But I'm not interested on those.
Okay. So, how do you feel about that? Like,
um, I feel disgusted because why would you offer me something like that? And I've already like discussed to him that I don't like those things.
it only happens once, right?
Yeah, and that didn't happen again because I did not like entertain others. I did not entertain others again because of that, and I was traumatized.
How do you feel about one night stands?
Okay, actually for me, it's not that big of a deal as long as you can handle it emotionally. You have to be strong enough for that. And just make sure na like there's no strings attached, and it's only okay if you do it like you're single or you're not um yeah, you're not in a relationship or connected to anyone, so that there won't be any problem about that.
Why do you think you have to be strong to do that?
I think because sometimes when of course we know what we do in a one night stand, and sometimes we get to like feel connected to them, and since yeah, it's only a one night stand, it's supposed to be like you're supposed to have fun for one night only. And if like I'm not saying that you're weak if you can't handle that, but you really have to be strong for that, because um yeah, so that you won't end up getting hurt in the end. Like um for example, it's supposed to be a one night stand, and then like you already felt something, you know, for that certain person. So like there's gonna be a like
That's
it's
why you
gonna be
have
a
to be
problem.
strong.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Okay. Have you ever had a one night stand before?
Oh my god. Wait.
I think that's a yes. That's a yes. Can you tell us something like, if it's okay with you? Like what happened? Like how you were on that kind of situation? Just curious.
Sure. Just a little bit about it.
A little okay.
I actually don't know that guy, and then it's like because we were at a party, and then it just so happened na
Were you drunk?
yeah, we could say that. We could say that. So and then like after that, there's no connection, no contact with that guy after. So yeah, that's basically it.
Okay. Do you have like a friend, or do you know someone that, had one night stand?
Yes.
A friend of yours?
Yes, she's my girl bestie, and like we go to parties before.
Mhm.
We usually go to parties, and that's where it happens and such.
Do you think it's very common nowadays to have one night stand, especially for Filipina?
Yes, it's very prevalent here in the Philippines, and um, yeah, yeah, it is.
It is. How about if you are like in the province? Do you think it's common in the province?
Um, I think it's starting to be common already. Am I allowed to say the where we at?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Here in Naga City, it has, especially after, I think after pandemic, because like we were locked up, right? So like the people, like after that 2 3 years, like um
They
we
became
gained,
freaky.
yeah, we gained like curiousness about things, so we wanted to try new stuff, and basically to experience and explore.
Experience and explore. Wow. Experience and explore. How about this one? How do you feel about friends with benefits?
Hmm. Again, for me, no judgment to whoever is on that kind of situation. But what I feel about it, it's kind of hard for me, because like your friends, and then as I mentioned a while ago about the one night stand, you really have to be strong for that. Because when you start getting feelings already to that other person, that's where the conflict starts. So, like, I don't care if you want friends with benefits and such. Yeah, you can do that. Um you can try and explore that. But um yeah, if you're happy, if you're happy with it, um go for it. Yeah.
Have you ever had a friend with benefits?
Friends. No.
Would you ever have a friend with benefits if he, really wants to?
Me personally, um, like I'm not the same girl as I was before, and maybe like me, 2 years ago, I would say yes, I would be okay with that. But like now, I would probably say no, cause like when you I want to I already want to put a label on something, and I want to settle. So like that that certain situation, like friends with benefits, I'm not judging those that are over age already that are doing that. But for me, like it's for like very younger
Like for
people.
immature people,
Yeah, I wouldn't say mature. Yeah, but I guess for
for
immature,
young
yeah,
people.
for younger people, because they're still again, as I said, they're still exploring, so they want to know um those kind of stuff. And actually, if you because I've heard a lot of stories about people that engaged with friends with benefits situation, they actually learned a lot from it. So if you are going to enter that kind of situation, you're gonna learn a lot from it, and it will help you, actually it will help you grow differently, and like probably,
More wild,
yeah,
probably.
more wild and fun
Oh
in the future. Yeah.
no. I'm very like surprised because you're very honest to us, like very honest. Oh, well, I mean, thank you. Thank you so much. A lot of people would, like would learn something like a different side of a Filipina, especially from here, from Bicol, from Naga City. So, yeah. But do you believe that there's still Filipinas out there, especially like your age, that are, I would say, never did those things?
Yeah, yeah. I actually know a few that haven't experienced any like freaky stuff. Like yeah, it's their decision. Probably some of them are like focused on other things, and they probably see um like engaging with other people as a sacred thing. And there's no judgment in that. It's not a big deal. Like you can do whatever you want.
How old are you?
22.
22 years. And still in college, right?
Yes.
Well, anyway, thank you so much for having this interview with us. We really appreciate it. She's very honest. That's what I like about her. Very honest. You know, it's just not someone like, like you know what I'm trying to say? Like saying something and then that's not really who she is. So thank you for that. Thank you for being honest with us. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection